Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can upload and attach support documents to supplier invoices or bills or even credit notes on QuickBooks accounting software. To attach support documents, firstly I will go to purchases and bills, and if I look on my unpaid list, I can see that I have materials. For one of these invoices I have attached support document, but for this line I haven't. So there's 3 ways how I can upload and attach those. Firstly, I can click on manage and click on attachment. Here I will be able to upload and attach file, or I can click on this little cloud with an arrow. It will bring to the same place. Or if I go to and click on actual supplier invoice, I can add attachment by clicking here. Click on upload files. So I have for materials, support document, this one, click open. And most importantly, remember to attach it. So now it has been attached. And when I go back and click on my bills, I have attached support document here. This would apply also for credit notes. If I want to attach a support document, I have 3 ways how I can do it, either through credit note, clicking on this cloud, or clicking on attachment. So in this episode, I showed you how you can upload support documents and attach on QuickBooks accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my QuickBooks tutorial and review episodes. If you have not seen those, check it out.